Hello and welcome to the ninth video of Helm chart series. So in today's video I will be demonstrating about how can we use rollback in Helm. So this command will help us to roll back a release to a previous version. So what are the argument of this command? So in this command first we will write the Helm, and along with that we will provide rollback, the command which we are going to perform Helm rollback, and along with that you have to provide the name of the release for which you want to roll back, and after that the fourth argument will be the number of the release. Okay, so if you are getting confused, so let's go ahead to the lab section and let's see how we can achieve this so that your doubt will be clear. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go to the okay, so let me activate this. So for the demo purpose, I am using Minikube, a single node cluster, okay, upon which I have installed Helm package. If you want to know how to install Helm chart on this Helm installation, just go and watch my previous videos. Okay, so this is the ninth series. You can explore more in the same video series. So let's go ahead and let's do our task. So right now I don't have any running Helm chart, so let's go ahead and let's create a Helm chart. Helm, Helm create demo. So this is the name of the Helm chart which we have created. So you can see demo is there. Let's see the directory structure. So this is the structure. So this is containing the important parts like the chart.yml. This is containing the templates folder which is having deployment.yml and service.yml as well. Along with that we have values.yml so that we can variabilize all those things. So if you don't know how to variabilize, please watch out my previous videos. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to deploy this. So let's go ahead and deploy this. Helm install and give a release name along with the Helm chart name. So hit enter. So you can see the status of this release is deployed and revision is 1. So let's list this Helm chart, this release. So you can see this is our release and the revision is 1 currently, right? So let's go ahead. So what are the things we have deployed? So you can see we have deployed a service, we have deployed a deployment, and along with that we have replica set of 1 out of 1 node. Okay, code. So now our task is to do what? Let's upgrade this version by changing this by changing the replica count. We will just upgrade. Okay, and after upgrading we will try to roll back to our previous revision. This is one which is having just one release, right, which is having just one replica count, correct? So we will upgrade to 2 replica count, and again we will roll back to our previous revision, that is one which is having one replica count, replica set, correct? So let's go to our demo file. Okay, so here you have to do changes in values.yml file. Let's go ahead and let's change this. So now I'm increasing my replica count to 2. Along with that, what I'm going to do, see, earlier it was set to clustered IP. Now I will set it to node port. Okay, node port with 3080. Okay, so this is done. Now this is done. So now what we have to do, we have to upgrade. Okay, so how can we upgrade? We have to know the release name, right? Previous release name we are upgrading. So how to do that? Let's see. List helm list -a. So this is the name of release we want to upgrade now. Okay, so let's upgrade this. Helm upgrade along with the release name. Which release you want to upgrade? This release I want to upgrade along with the chart name, demo. So right now I am inside the same directory, right? Demo Helm chart itself. So what you have to do, you have to give dot for the current directory. Just hit enter. Okay, nice. So you can see that status is deployed. Now revision is 2, correct? So let's go back. Okay, now let's do helm list hyphen a. So you can see now revision is 2, and let's see did it increase the replica count or not. kubectl get all. Okay, so you can see here, right? This is your number of deployment which is running. Along with that, we have changed this, right? This time you are getting as a node port, and earlier you were getting as a clustered IP here. Okay, so the two things we have changed, right? Long run kubectl get so you can see here also the number of ports it has created, right? Because we have done changes in the this our type also, right? That's why we are having 2 port running here. Now let's do what? Let's roll back to the previous version. So let's see our release name, helm list hyphen a. So this is our revision. So from 2 I want to go for 1, right? So let's just type the command helm. The second argument is the command itself, rollback, and here you have to provide the revision number, and here you have to provide the which revision count do you want to go. I want to go this. So make sure that you are remembering, right? You have to make sure that on which remember what you have done. So if you have done this, just hit enter. Okay, so you can see rollback was a success, happy helming. So you will get this message. So let's do one thing, helm list hyphen a again. So you can see the revision count is increased, right? So this is not like it will go back if you are rollbacking. The revision number will be always incrementing. Okay, so now see kubectl get all. So here you can see you're having just 1 port now, correct? Because you roll back, and you can see now your release again is set to clustered IP from node port. Along with that, you can see the deployment is 1 out of 1 now, and replica set desired one and current one. So like this you can do rollback to a previous version of a release, right? So thanks for watching. If you are facing, please try doing by your side as well. If you are facing an issue, please comment down. Along with that, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification on my coming video. Subscribe and support. So thanks for watching.